everyone, how you doing today?
Let's season our cabbage with salt, black pepper, and minced garlic. Also, let's add our flour. We are using 3 eggs. Beat our eggs. Let's add our eggs. And now let's mix all together nicely. Let's heat our oil and fry our egg cabbage. Just make a circle shape. Let's cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, let's use a plate. Just be careful. Now we're going to flip it. Wow, looking good. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes. Wow, this is it, guys.
This is yummy. It's nice and egg cabbage.
This is it, guys. It's quick and easy. It's cheap and it's also healthy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Yum yum.
Yummy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.